comment, subscribe to the channel. It's hilarious. I feel like I saw so many comments like, I love the
like
comfy
fishing?
video, and it's just like I feel like a lot of people would not really come to my channel for a chill, laid-back fishing video. So yeah, I don't know, but me and Yummy are back playing again. Be sure to go subscribe to my boy Yummy as well. Link down below. Go give my boy a sub. And yeah, let's get back into it. I guess we're gonna start off where we left off.
World of what we are going to be scammed into eventually when our neurons start to rot.
It's never finished. Master got me working. Someday Master set me free. Dude, shut up, Cartman.
Are you eating the deodorant again? What's on your deodorant?